Welcome to the Math130 online course. This video will help you get started in the course. I'm right now on the main D2L course page, and this is where you'll find all the materials and lessons you need. You can always start by looking at the news items, and right now there's a welcome item posted. Make sure to take a good read through it. It explains how the course is set up and what you can expect. It also lays out the same information in this video, telling you how to get started in the course. When you're done with the news item, you can go back to the main course page and start looking at the content. I'm going to click on Content Browser and take you through the main components of the course. First, in the course materials, I encourage you to click the link for the course outline and take a read through it. This has my contact information, Erin Kirk, the instructor for this course. You're welcome to get in touch through email. It describes what we'll be covering in the course. It explains what you'll need, the scientific calculator we'll be using. You can use other scientific calculators as well, but some of the instructions and videos in the course use this Sharp calculator. There is a textbook for this course, and each of the topics we cover has textbook pages you can read and extra practice problems you can use. And as well, a reminder that all the material for this course is on the course page on D2L, and you should be checking in there at least 3 times a week. Further down the course outline, you'll see the modules we'll be covering and the assessments you'll be completing throughout the course. In this course, you'll be completing worksheets, which will be submitted electronically through a website called Gradescope, and there'll be more details about that posted soon. You'll also be completing some quizzes on D2L and some tests. One of those is on D2L, and the others will be written in a supervised testing center. Once you've taken a read through the course outline and the policies, you can go back to the main course page. Back in that course materials folder, you can also find the complete note package for this course. In all of the lesson videos, there are notes that you can print to follow along. If you'd like to print them all at once at the beginning of the semester, you can go to this complete notes package, and it's likely easiest to download it and then print it off. Once you've looked through those important course materials, you can go back to the table of contents and start your work. This course is divided into 3 modules, and in weeks 1 to 5, we're working through Module 1. Each module is broken down into 3 topics, but before you can start working through those topics, you must complete the Module 1 pre-quiz. This pre-quiz isn't graded, it just gives you an idea of what is coming up in the topics that we'll cover in the module. Once you've completed it, you'll see the different topics, so you make sure to click on the pre-quiz. You can read through the description and quiz details, and when you're ready, click Start Quiz. Once you've completed the quiz, you should now see Topic 1, Decimals and Fractions, in your Module 1 content. You can start going through this, watching the videos. There's an introduction video. If you didn't print the complete notes, you can download and print just the notes you need for this topic, and then you can take a look at all of the lesson videos. When you click to watch these videos, you'll see that they take you through the notes that you've printed off.
Addition and subtraction of...
I encourage you to work through the video with your notes, pause it, rewind it, and replay it as many times as you need so that you understand the content. Going back to the topic list, after you've worked through all of the lesson videos, there are a few other activities for you to practice with. So in this case, there's a matching activity, there's a reference page for fraction decimal equivalents, and a link to remind you of the textbook readings and practice you can do. Once you feel confident in the topic, you can complete and submit the topic quiz. The topic quizzes help make sure that you're ready for the topic worksheet and eventually the module test. You can complete the topic quiz on D2L as many times as you like, and you must get a grade of 70% or higher to be able to complete the topic assignment or worksheet. Once you've done the topic quiz, you'll be able to move on and open up the topic worksheet. This is a document that you can print off, complete, and then submit to the website gradescope.com. And details on how to submit that will be posted in week 2. Once you complete topic 1, topic 2 will open for you. So you should be working through all of this module 1 content now. taking your time to work through each of the topics. If ever you find any of the links don't work or you need any help finding anything, please get in touch. If you're looking for any of the quizzes, you can also go through the Assessments tab to find the quizzes, and this is also where your grades will be posted as they become available. I hope this video helps you feel comfortable starting to work through the Math 130 online course content. If you need any help, my contact details are in the news item. My name's Erin Kirk, and I'm happy to help you as we work through this course together.